Kevin Wells, competition director of Formula Drift. We're out here for round 5 at Worldwide Technology Raceway. Weather's beautiful, best we've ever had, and we'll see how many times we have to use this clock.
We are, oh my God. No, it's just, look. Sorry, I had an oil line blow. Is there any way to get a go back to my pit, which is on the other side of this? Pushing it all the way over there? Yeah.
We made our own St. Louis arch. See, all the way around. Dylan doesn't want you getting soft, you know? Gotta keep you busy, you know? They said they could, right?
He hit something.
Yes.
Where are you guys? No, he stood there.
He doesn't want to change tires?
Yeah, he said he doesn't want to change tires. But
LZ's changing rear tires, so you guys can change tires if you want.
Yep. I swear he said Ron doesn't want it.
Yeah.
Must have been decent. Some wreck being done today.
Oh yeah. I mean, even in warm-up, like every other car down here was smashed up. Yeah.
Smashed. This thing was wrapped brand new this morning.
You fixed it already, huh?
Oh, yeah. Yours was brand new. It was wrapped. Every panel was wrapped brand new this morning. That's scary.
That's okay. It's only that one, that one, that one, that one, and that one.
And every part in the back.
Right.
Back to the power block. Go for it. Brakes on the left. Oh, it should be 4 o'clock. I bet it's huge. That's it. That's it. One that you got.
Never mind. Just shut it down. All right. Okay. So you can yeah. Yep. You still got a minute. 40 running.
Now we got power steering.
Ah, there you go. That helps.
We're like, we gotta take something to give him something.
So we have to replace it, right?
Yeah, probably.
All good, dog?
Yeah, just bundled up the car.
Yeah, no
okay?
shit.
Yeah, I'm good. Honestly, I've had wrecks that are so much more worse than that look stupid, you know? Wow. Did you see the strut tower and the firewall of that car?
I didn't see the firewall, but I saw the strut tower and everything else.
That thing's obliterated.
pretty dang good.
Yeah.
That was fun. That's what I was like. I was staying back there, and he was going super smooth. I'm like, I'm not leaving.
Yeah.
I'm gonna jinx it if I go up to the front and wait.
All right, 3, 2, 1. Good night, St. Louis.